Hi children, this is Kavita from Chandrayana Gutta Boys 1. Welcome to science class. Today our topic is based on states. Based on states of materials. Okay, so based on the states of materials. So materials are classified into three types. So based on their state, materials are classified into three types. How many types ma? Is a three types. One is a solids. Second type is a liquids. Third type is a gas. Gas. So materials are state, according to state, materials are classified into three types. One is solid, liquid and gas. So let us discuss about the solids. Solids have a definite shape. Solids have a definite shape. And solids cannot flow. Solids cannot flow. Example, rocks or wall, etc. Okay. So next you can discuss about liquids. Liquids have not a definite shape. So our have not a definite shape. Definite shape. Liquids have a flow. Liquids have a flow. Example, water, oil, milk, etc. Okay, so next we can discuss about the gas. So gas also not a definite shape. So gas also not a flow. Yes, gas also is a flow and diffuse. So gas is not a definite shape and gases are a flow and a diffusion. Example, hydrogen, oxygen and water vapor. Okay children, so according to their states, materials are classified into three types: solids, liquids and gas. So their properties have a definite shape of solids and solids cannot flow, and example rocks and so many items you can, or duster also you can add here. So liquids cannot not a definite shape and liquids have a flow. Example is a water and oil and milk, etc. So gas also is a not a definite shape and flow and a diffuse. Example, hydrogen, oxygen, water vapor. So another thing here is a state of materials. So solids, liquids, some materials are a interchange, means is a solids interchange, solids convert into liquids, liquid convert into gas. So for different process. So here is a some materials are interchange. Interchange means solids convert into liquids. So liquids into gas and gas convert into liquid. Liquids convert into solids. Are they different process? Solids convert into liquid. This process is a heating. When you can materials are heat, solid materials convert into liquids. Example is best example is a water. So ice are a solid, so when you can ice you can heat is easily is a form of a liquid, convert into liquid. So liquids you can heat is convert into gas. So gas you can cool, so convert into liquid. Liquid also you can cool, easily convert in a solid state. So those are a interchange. So some materials are interchange, means solid to liquid, liquid to gas and gas to liquids and liquids to solid. So solids are liquids, liquids are gas. This is the interchange of material. Thank you.